In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Lego Fortnite disabled on your Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple fixes that you can follow to ensure that Lego Fortnite works and you don't get the disabled message on your Xbox. First, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as you can clearly notice, I am recording this video on my computer. But don't worry, the methods that I'm going to show you are going to be able to be done on an Xbox. So for the first method, which is by far the simplest and the one supported by Epic Games, so if you go over on their website in the help section, you will find this method. First, if you have multiple controllers connected to your console, so the Xbox, you will be able to access split screen mode in some game modes inside of Fortnite, namely Battle Royale. However, because Lego Fortnite does not support split screen, if you have multiple controllers, it is just going to tell you that the mode is disabled. So if you have multiple controllers and multiple accounts connected to your Xbox console, what you have to do is make sure that you remove additional controllers and additional accounts. Make sure that only one controller and one account is connected to the console before accessing Lego Fortnite on Fortnite. So by doing this, you are going to ensure that you are not using split screen and the game is going to allow you in. If you try to connect with multiple controllers, it is just going to tell you that the mode is disabled. For the second option, what you can try to do is select a world and see if it becomes available. If it's still not working and you aren't able to matchmake, what you have to do is go into Battle Royale, load into a match, which I'm not going to do that in this video because I'm recording it at the moment. And once you get inside of the battle bus, just leave the match, go back to the home screen, and now try again inside of Lego Fortnite. By simply loading into a Battle Royale match and then leaving, you are going to ensure that you are properly connected to the servers and you should be able to get a stable connection and choose a world to play Lego Fortnite in. So once again, I'm just going to cancel matchmaking, but I just want to demonstrate that I will be able to connect to this server or my world as soon as this is done. Now, for the last option and something that you should check is the Lego Fortnite matchmaking service. If this service is not operational, that you can check on the status.epic games website, that means that the servers on Epic sides are having issues and there is nothing that you can do about it on your end. You simply have to wait until they address this issue. So visit the Epic Games public status page and make sure that the servers are operational, and if they aren't, wait until a maintenance resolves this. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Lego Fortnite disabled on your Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.